Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Look at this amazing floodlight and how it lights up my yard. Now it is getting dark early in Ohio and it's cold outside, and I needed a light to light up my yard because my husband and my daughter are taking off so early that it's dark outside and they're tripping over stuff. And so this floodlight is amazing because it's solar powered and it's a motion detector. So I know the minute that they walk out the front door and that light spots them, it's going to turn on and then they can see their way to their cars. The thing I love most about this is not only that it's keeping my family safe, but I loved how easy it was to install. I love that you can maneuver and bend the lights so that they're shining exactly where you need them to shine. And it is durable enough to withstand all of the different kinds of weather that Ohio throws at us. It has been out here through rain and sleet, snow and ice, and very cold nights. I love that it's programmable and you can do it from the remote that comes with it. So you can set it to stay on all night, you can set it to stay for a timed period, and you can set it to go off with motion. Another great thing is that the solar panel is separate from the light, so you can set it up in a place that works best for you. And that's my point of view.